Welcome to the MTG cryptocurrency report for the week of August 26th to September 1st. In this video, we're going to go through the monthly, weekly, and daily charts of Bitcoin versus US dollar, as well as go through a swing trade setup on the long side in Bitcoin, and we'll cover that in detail when we're on the daily chart. So let's get to the monthly chart. The price action cleared the downtrend line on the monthly in July and closed above the downtrend line. And in August, the price action dipped back below the downtrend line, but it's held so far. And so if it can close above the downtrend line for the month, that would be the second month in a row that it's held the downtrend line, which is a good sign as long as it doesn't make a lower low, because it could continue to hold this downtrend line but make lower lows. The idea is to break the downtrend line and not break the prior swing low. So breaking the downtrend line and not setting a new swing low are the first two steps for the reversal of the trend, and then we need to see break above last month's high, which would reverse the trend here. It's a little bit more difficult to see on the monthly chart because it takes away some of the swings. So once we get into the weekly chart, we can pinpoint exactly where the swing highs and lows are. So on the weekly chart, we have the price action testing the downtrend line and holding the past few weeks. Holding the support level around 6,000 minus some intra-week dips. And then we have the first bounce off the lows, and then it's pullback here that has not violated the prior swing low. So this is a potential higher low. If the price action can break through this prior high, that would then confirm the swing low in place and suggest a potential change of trend. So until the price action can break through the prior swing high and hold, the weekly chart is basically in chop mode. So on to the daily chart, and with the daily chart, we're going to zoom in on the activity over the past few months. So again, we have the price action bouncing off this downtrend line, which is still holding just above or just at the prior low here. We have a higher low potentially in place right here. And we're looking at the first bounce off the low, followed by sideways action and a break of that prior minor swing high right there. That is the trigger for a buy entry. We're looking for a move to the 200-day MA as a target with a stop at 60.49, which is giving the price action, in case it fails to move out right away, some wiggle room here below the swing low right here, this minor swing low. And the idea with the counter trend trade is to take profits when you have them. You want to make it as quick as possible. Of course, you have to let the setup play out, but we're looking for a 1 to 2 week move up into resistance, and then we want to get out. You don't want to overstay your welcome when you're counter swing trading. And as we mentioned earlier in the video, we really can't go for more than the short-term swing trade here because we still have the weekly and monthly sideways, and we really can't expect anything to change until Bitcoin breaks through the prior swing high and holds, and then we'll have a potential change of trend on the weekly chart. All right, so that's a wrap for this week's video. Thank you for joining us and have a great week.